Alright, so we got, nobody is here because they're probably all sleeping. Dan for sure is sleeping.
Yeah. We don't know where
The tech kids, I think, they, one of them lives in Marquette, so I think they were just staying at their house.
Oh,
Yeah. And one of them is in singles.
yes.
Oh, and by the way, we're winning like hella points. For
Yeah,
our,
because this counts.
yeah, so our doubles, our singles, we're gonna win. Oh, you went back to Luigi?
Yeah.
I don't agree with that. the Ganon is definitely stronger. Yeah. Alright, so the best way to dispose of Luigi's stocks is just throw him off stage far enough, and then I'll just side beam him. So, because he doesn't know how to beat. I actually was missing this. I was watching. That was good option coverage by Falco. Red Falco. Okay. Yeah, they got a 2v1 right now. Red team is Thor and Moment. Pretty sure Moment plays. Go. Yeah, that's dead. Dead Falco. And Luigi got a kill.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he did. He chopped off one of the spaces. Yeah. Tech chase. Up smash? Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess he had an opportunity to get it earlier, but it was like a little miscommunication. Okay, that Luigi like will nair like in the craziest situations. I'm pretty sure he'll like smash TI up like jabs and stuff, and I'm all, like, that's the only thing I can think of how he naired so often. Oh, the fireball! That was like right at the end of the animation. Yeah, this is close. Which, wait, is that? Okay. Red Falco? Yeah, this is. He had a chance. Okay, Luigi's just gonna nair and get random kills. He's gonna misfire. He's gonna misfire. This is embarrassing. He's got side B. He's gonna misfire and just kill him, bro. Alright.
Yeah, that would have happened.
Alright, game one was pretty close. Which are probably his faith to Luigi. I don't know if he'll switch. Double Falcon, maybe? That'd be hot. Go Marth! Go Marth! I told him to go Marth in singles last time and he listened to me.
Oh yeah.
And then he said, why?
Yeah, he has a pocket mark though.
Not really. But yeah, FT. So they got, I don't know if Ganon can change. Good start.
I'm sure.
Did you see that power shield? Ganon worked his power shield with the laser. Yeah, if oh, don't do level 9, do level 7. Or 3s, or level 1.
Oh!
Oh my god. You should be ashamed.
Don't roll it. You didn't know that move is technically called.
I thought it was Warlock Punch.
No, well.
No, it's Warlock Punch.
It's Thunder Punch.
No, it's Warlock Punch and Brawl. I'm almost positive.
Oh,
Maybe.
I don't know. I looked at the guidebook. It's the Thunder Punch also.
Maybe I don't know.
No, I'm thinking of Jab.
Oh, Jab is Thunder Punch? That would make sense.
That's all.
Oh my god, why? Oh my god. Was that Falco or was that Fox? Okay, so now, Ganon has killed both Fox and Falco with a Ganon punch. Oh my god. If it happens one more time. It can't happen one more time. The stars have to align for that to happen. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, we're just good. They just, red team they just don't know the level 9 Ganon matchup. Can't shoot lasers. The best thing to do is grab comms because I'm pretty sure they'll rarely spot dodge. Or maybe I'm wrong.
You're probably right.
And don't ever shield against them because they'll just grab you. Yeah, this is a close game. Ganon's a tank, so even though he's got 100%, he's probably not gonna die, unless he gets like down air or shine spike or something, or up smash. I'm pretty sure Ganon's pretty floaty. So up smash, yeah, up smash will still kill him pretty early. At least this time, it's like a player or an actual person, real life person. Although I kind of want to see it again. Yeah, counter and 2v1 is much better, I feel like. Well, actually, it's just... It's like less risk. No, it's like... Wait.
I think it's more risk, more game. You're like...
No, it's not more game. Because, like, you only counter one person most of the time. And if you miss, then you have 2v1, so... Like, 2v1 combos, so I don't know. It's more likely to hit, but it's more risk somehow. I don't know. Yeah, if it gets just one more Ganon punch. Ooh, forward smash there. Like, I'm not sure what this like. I feel like you kind of just want to 2v1 the comp. Because it can't really, like, if you separate into two 1v1s, it might be... Yeah, but you can still kill comp with people, I feel like. Just Ganon frontmanning. Dude, he just pushed all the stage, just a slow walk. Thunder Punch. And Thunder Punch. Oh! Okay, and then Ganon got spiked, but still, that was like great. That was good. Yeah, it's when I tried to just shine spike.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it was a Fox. It was a Fox, yeah. Ganon in the front again, and he's like doing it well. So yeah, well, wow. Dude, this is like a big lead. It's a stock. No, it's not. It's not a stock lead. No, it is. It's stock lead. That's true. Ganon has to just hold on a little bit longer. They need like one more kill because they're at high percent. So, oh, Ganon back there though. Yeah, up there. Yeah. But... Okay.
Oh, that's gonna be it.
Oh my! And then you just kill yourself. At least, okay, it's still 2v1. I would just back away and let the comp do everything. Oh my god! Yeah, I'd literally just let the comp rack up damage, and when he loses ground, just run in like there. Yeah, just get out of his way. 'Cause the combo.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah. Oh! I would have F smashed. I would have F smashed. Let it be known.
Alright, 2-1.
That was pretty awesome. So they lost on FT. I think the smaller stage works best. So yeah, they're gonna kind of big stadium that makes sense. And big stage, so they don't have to worry about like Ganon outbeating you from like I know they got Ganon punched on FT actually. They can't punch twice. How much damage does that up you do? Oh, I forgot to look. Alright, that was good. Yeah, stock lead. Ganon's doing a good job at keeping those stock. Despite like it seems like he's going in a lot, but his weight helping him. So close out the stock. Oh! Yeah. Okay! Ganon won the pit, or the rock fight. Okay! Just across the screen, down at your opponent. Dude, I would honestly not want to be in the pit with the comp. I feel like that's like, oh, back there? Okay. Yeah, see? I've seen Ganon in the pit twice, and he's won each fight. And he won the rock too, so yeah. I wouldn't want to be in... Right, he got like a regrab or something before it, so he got the first one there. Yeah.
Because you're in the
yeah, sometimes. Or you can cross Tentacle Shine if you're at low percents.
Yeah.
As long, yeah. And I don't think the comp would grab you if you're not you. But against a human, you have to worry about grab. So they have the lead again. And a high percent, but he's gonna live that. He's gonna live. Not gonna live that, yeah. Okay, what was that doing? I literally think he's just hitting his teammate up.
I don't know. Maybe he's just
I would have done it. Oh, wow. That was a really bad F smash. You waited way too long. Dunner. Yeah.
that'll be it. 3-1.
Was that 3-1?
Yeah, that was 3-1.
I thought that was 2-1.
Nope.
Well, he took the game.
He did take it.
Alright. Let's go double blast these scrubs.